Hey, it's your girl Krissy from Events by Krissy, and welcome to our channel. If it's your first time watching, then welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all of our event planning tips and our DIY tricks. We will be creating a small floral vase arrangement that is perfect for just about any occasion, an intimate dinner at home or out with family and friends, as well as weddings, baby showers, bridal showers, all those beautiful occasions. Our vase here is from the Dollar Tree. It is just a simple bowl vase. It costs $1.50. And we are taking some tape and we're going to put 2 pieces across horizontally and 2 pieces across vertically. Then we're going to go around the perimeter of the vase and make sure that it is nice and secure. This is how we are going to stabilize our arrangement. It will hold all of our stems in place and have all of our bunches nice and tightly together. Our flowers here are simple. They are from the grocery store, so you can get your flowers from just about anywhere. It does not need to be from a florist, although you will probably get better pricing there. So after you've put your pieces of tape on, you can go ahead and mix fertilizer into your water and you can pour it into your bowl. You can do it before if you want, but I prefer to do it after because I tend to move the bowl around while I'm taping it and I don't want to spill. You're going to put approximately 1/3 to 1/2 of water into your bowl. You don't need more than that. You can put a little bit less if you're transporting it, and then you can, fill it more once you get to your destination. That way it's just a lot less slippage for you, a lot less mess. Save yourself the headache, the trouble, all of that lovely stuff, because it can get very messy and we don't want that. You're just going to measure your stems to your bowl. That way you'll know how much you're going to need. Remember, when cutting flowers, if you cut them too short, you cannot grow them back. And I know I'm going to say this a million times, but it's better to cut longer and be able to go back and trim it than to have it cut way too long and there's nothing that you can do to fix the issue. So now that we've opened all of our flowers, we are just going to take off the leaves from our spray roses, and we're going to use that as part of the base for our arrangement. It is going to help to add some dimension, and it will add some more greenery to it. If you want, you can get other forms of greenery outside of eucalyptus. There is Italian vines and some other greeneries that look absolutely stunning. I wanted to keep it simple for this arrangement, as it's something that you want to be able to whip up in a few minutes, and the more flowers, the more leaves, or more stems that you have, the more work it will take to create the look. So we just wanted to keep it simple. Now that we've gone and added our leaves, we are just going to cut some spray roses. Remember, when you're cutting, to cut your stems on, or not your stem, your stems, sorry, cut your stems on an angle, and that way it will help them to absorb water better, stand better, and last longer. As an added tip, you can add a little bit of sugar, vodka, or flour fertilizer to your water, and it will help your arrangement stay up to 2 weeks fresher or stay much more alive. Again, when cutting, please remember, you cannot grow your stem once it's already cut. So start by cutting long, and then once you've cut long and measured it into your arrangement, you can remove it and cut it shorter. But once you've cut it short, that is it. There is nothing that you can do about it. Remember that. It's very important. But other than that, you just keep on arranging your flowers in the way that you want to, the way that it satisfies you, the way that it makes you feel good. There is no right or wrong way to do it. You just do what feels best to you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!